Hi everyone. Have you noticed it's a little chillier out? Yeah, with fall being here, that's one of the things that sometimes changes. Some places in the world, when it's fall, it gets a little bit cold. So we're going to read a story today all about that. So it's called Fall Weather. Chapter 1, Fall begins. Whoosh! Wind blows colorful leaves across the yard. Fall weather is here. We grab our jackets, we go outside to rake, we jump into the leaf pile and the leaves fly up. Fall and autumns are names for the same season. People call the season fall because leaves fall from the trees this time of year. Today our class celebrates the first day of fall. Every year fall begins on September 22nd or 23rd. People call this day the fall equinox. It's a big word, isn't it? On the equinox, day and night are the same length. Days last about 12 hours, nights last about 12 hours too. The word equinox means equal night. During fall, each day is a little shorter than the day before. Fall ends on December 21st or 22nd. We call the first day of winter the winter solstice. It's the shortest day and the longest night of the year. Every morning the sun rises later. Every night the sun sets earlier. Less daylight brings cooler weather. Chapter 2, Changing Weather. Throughout fall, we feel the weather change from warm to cold. Our part of the planet gets the most sunlight during summer. It gets the least sunlight during winter. Fall weather feels cooler than summer weather. Fall weather feels warmer than winter weather. Animals notice cooler weather too. They get ready for winter during fall. Some animals grow thicker coats of fur. Others hide food so they can eat it later, just like our squirrel family that we look in on. Fall weather changes from day to day. We check the weather each morning to decide what to wear. Meteorologists are scientists. They study the weather and predict the weather each day. In September, we wear light jackets. In October, we may put on hats or heavier jackets. By November, we might need warmer coats and mittens. Chapter 3, the weather chart. Our class is making a weather chart this fall. Each day, we look at the rain gauge. We write down how much rain fell. Each day, we look at the thermometer and we write down the temperature. Some places have a rainy season during fall. People in these places carry umbrellas or wear rain jackets nearly every day. They might wear splash pants too. Some days we write down warm temperatures. Some days we write down cool temperatures. As the weeks pass, we make an observation. The temperature is going down. An observation is something you see or learn after carefully studying something. We compare our charts with charts from classes in other places. One class has warmer weather. Look, see, they're still in skirts and shorts. Another class has more rain. They're all inside because it's raining so hard. My class has snow in the fall. Fall weather is different from place to place. Some parts of Earth do not have fall weather. The weather around the middle of the Earth is nearly the same all year. Chapter 4, Fall Ends. Fall is nearly over now. We wear heavy coats to stay warm outside. And what's on the ground in that picture? Snow. We see frost on the grass some mornings. Soon snowflakes fly through the air. Winter is almost here. And then it tells you how to make a rain gauge. It says it's a tool that shows how much rain has fallen, and it tells you that you can get an adult to help you do this. So they used a straw and a ruler and a marker and a container that they could put everything in so they could measure the rain. And there was lots of new words, wasn't there, in that story? The word equinox, remember they said it meant equal night, right? So the day and the night are equal. And there was observation, when you learn something because you're studying it carefully. And there was a temperature, and that's to tell you how hot or cold something is. That's the temperature. And a thermometer, that's a tool that measures how hot or cold something is. Yeah. Have you ever seen a thermometer? I bet sometimes maybe you've had a fever and maybe mom or dad took your temperature with a thermometer. It was to tell them how hot or cold you were. Yeah. So that's all about all the different fall temperatures and fall weather. What weather is it where you're at? Can you look out your window? Can you check and tell me? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it snowing? What is the temperature and the weather like where you are at? Okay. Have a great day, my friends. Bye-bye.